Let's welcome in Sanjai Kumar, the chairman and managing director of Railtel. Now, the biggest news coming in for Railtel of late was the Navratna status. So, government has granted them that, and how will this help the company? Does it get some special status while placing bids for new orders, and does it also give them access to lower loan rates, sir?
Navratna status is, of course, is a different club when we talk of CPSEs. We have joined this status. We have joined this club, and we are very excited after joining, getting this status. Certainly, when we talk of benefits, so many times in many tenders, when they are evaluating the tenders against some QCBS system, maybe this is advantageous to us. When we go to some funding agencies, of course, they will give advantage of this status, because this certainly talks loud about a company when it gets a Navratna status. We have some investment freedom also once we are getting this status. So yes, there will be many of the informal benefits and few of the formal benefits. Of course, certainly we will have to prepare ourselves so that in near future as well as in longer term, we prepare ourselves to get uh, more benefits from this status. Financial autonomy is, of course, one, as I told you, that we have some investment, more investment freedom. We can have formation of JVs with better limits and all that. Of course, when you get such status, you get more responsibility and accountability also. So there are these are of course, this is a good message to the company and to the stakeholders.
Yes, Mr. Kumar, it's definitely a good message, and the street was cheering that, but the street has been cheering the slew of order wins that you have backed of late. I think 120 odd crores. But what does it take your total order book to now, and how's been the order inflow momentum in Q2?
So we are currently close to somewhere around 4,900 crores of orders, and the order flow in first 2 quarters have not been so good, because earlier there were elections, and now government is, of course, gearing up, and they are releasing orders. So some of the orders have come during second quarter. So I think we have received around, if we talk of quarterly wise, I think we have got somewhere around 500 crore of 500 plus crores of orders till now. But we expect that during next coming up 2 quarters, we are expecting better order book strengthening.
So you have also partnered with nearly 3 OEMs for Kavach. Is there any is the technology approved, or is the proof of concept being going on still with Indian Railways? Any update on that?
See, there are now not three. There are two more OEMs who have been approved, and they will be certainly shortly. Whenever some orders, some tenders are decided, there will be developmental orders coming for them. By November, we expect that one OEM with whom we have tied up also will get other certifications also, and we are sure that we'll be ready uh, with our partner for bidding in all the tenders, because there's no such condition. They have to be approved, so they are already available. So right now there are five, not three.
Okay, so there are five, OMC players there. But what's the overall target for Kavach orders? As in, what could be the overall quantum, and what kind of margin does it come with?
See, if I talk of targets, so this depends on the various zonal railways and divisional units when they are deciding the tenders. What is the speed? because these will be technical tenders, and it might take time because tenders have not, few of the tenders are invited, but the bids are still due, and we are looking at the overall situation, that how we are placed among the competition. So right now, it won't be fair to give any estimate. But as I told you earlier, also that somewhere around 4 to 5,000 crores of tenders, value of tenders over next 4 to 5 years, Railtel should be part of this coverage journey. That is the statement which I always maintained.
Also on the data center part, has the work already started, and any timelines if you could give us, how many of them would be operational, by when can they be operational, and what is the kind of revenue and margins that you're expecting from this segment?
So data center, I think you are referring to as data centers. We have formalized the agreement with our partner, and as I expect, by this year end, we should have around 8 to 10 as data centers ready, and we are making all out efforts so that at least this much happen. When we talk of margin, again, it will be 10 to 12% only, which I am sure of that we will be getting. But business this year from these edge data centers, I cannot comment right now.
Okay, but can you comment on your FY25 guidance, because you talked about a 25 to 30% top line growth with a margin profile of 18%. Are you sticking with that?
Yeah, I think as far as revenue growth guidance, we are sure. EBITDA margin also, it will be in the range of 17 to 18%. There should not be any issue.
But sir, what is the update when it comes to the project business? Because there the EBIT margin in the first quarter was around 4.2%, below your guidance of around 5 to 6. So has the same improved in the second quarter, and can in first half of the financial year you achieve a EBIT margin of around 5 odd percent?
Second quarter, we can't comment right now. The results, we have to wait for another 1 month, and then we'll certainly get audited. But yes, when we talk of overall EBITDA margin from project, we'll maintain 5 to 6%, as we have been saying that this in past also, and we'll make it sure that it remains in the same range.
Well, thank you, sir. That would be all. Thank you for speaking with us and giving us all those details of the company going forward. With that, let's slip into a short break and we'll be back with more news on the other side.